Alrighty guys, so I've only been learning to fly 3D helicopters for about a week. At first I was like, I couldn't balance it, and now I've got the point where I can balance it inside and fly it around like a normal 4-channel. So we're gonna go to the park today, and we're gonna try and do a loop. This brother can go good or go bad. Find out. The helicopter that we're using is the K110S chopper. I've already cracked the canopy, but that's the helicopter we're going to be using. We've got a second battery in case it goes to plan, which I fucking highly doubt it. I'm probably going to be in the... So I don't think I'll break it too bad, but I have to step up in the game. Into the car. We're going to power up and we're going to go to the local park. Let's go. All right, so we found a place. This looks all right. Bit of trees to block the wind. Grab a heli. And let's go. So, all right. It doesn't matter, I'll edit it. So, I'm still nervous, it's a little bit windy, so I'm going to try and fly a lap or two and see how we go from there, and then we'll try and do a loop. So I just got to remember how to do a loop, but I think I know. Alright. Give us a sec. So my dual rates. I'm really fucking nervous, boys. The wind is really effective here. I might be too scared, eh? It's just the wind. I have to wait for that wind to fuck off. Really windy. There must have to be no wind at all to pull a loop. But we could try. I'm going to bring it down for a sec. Try and fix some dual rates. Dual rates. That's the gyro. Just a sec. Okay, dual rates are up now. Holy fuck.
Speak a little louder.
I think it's a bit... It's okay, they can hear me. I think it's a bit windy for me, I'm a bit nervous. So, yeah, I'm a bit nervous. So this might just be a little fly around.
Maiden voyage.
Oh,
Oh, shit, I missed it.
and that's what happened before. I actually thought, you guys record, because I actually thought the back propeller was coming off. So I put a new propeller on, and it actually done it again.
Okay, so what do we have here?
Well, the back propeller is still intact. But back propeller is still intact. Okay, it's very strange. It looks like the engine just shut off. I didn't do nothing. I didn't crash it. It just fell at sky.
Like a bird. Eating a worm.
It
The
looks
worm
like-
dropped from the bird's mouth. So,
It looks
savable.
like the motor is just
Shut itself.
this is good for AliExpress because it's faulty. Actually, that I did nothing. You've seen that. It might restart.
Hopefully it was all quite nicely on camera there.
I think it would be because I did nothing. That was on camera.
Hopefully.
I swear to God.
We'll find out very soon.
Give us a sec.
Okay, let's see if she starts up.
Maybe the battery died. I highly doubt it. So we'll change the battery anyway.
Yep. Sounds like a plan then.
Hopefully it was the battery because
Spotto. Here we go.
like the
Spotto.
it's booting back up.
Computer restart.
No. Oh.
Oh.
Alright, it seems to be working. It's very windy, but we're going to go again.
Yep.
Let's see if it's
Press
actually
it
going
down.
again.
Okay.
Dual rates are...
Alright, I'm going to get my distance.
It's
Get
okay.
that shot.
The wind's blowing this way, so it's only going to go behind you.
Yeah. Thanks for the heads up.
Crashes again. No. but I'm actually proud.
Yeah.
I'm not
Whoa!
gonna come to you, Dodo.
Alright. It's that moment of
Oh,
fear.
do you right?
Oh! What happened there?
I think there was a pilot error.
Happened quick, I didn't even see it.
It can happen very quick.
Mm.
And nothing happened to the helicopter.
Alright.
We're gonna try and go again. The moment I flicked at the 3D, it was just boom.
Oh. Keep it in non 3D then.
I'm learning what this stuff means. I need to practice 3D. It's scary, but
Oh.
I do a hand launch.
Driver error, driver error.
I'm fucking scared of it, eh? I'm gonna put it here. That should be fine.
He's a little bit mighty.
A little bit mighty. It's fucking
Might do
scary.
might do a little bit of damage to the handle. Or the face. Oh.
No, actually. Let me reset it again. Let's go again.
Okay.
Let the wind settle for a second. Okay, let's go. I feel like something's... There we go, I fixed it. My gyro was turned off. Is it coming on camera okay?
Yeah. Ooh. What a weapon.
Just balancing it is hard enough. I think the loop is for another day. Maybe with the green one. I could probably... It's just too windy to try a loop. Lucky, I thought I broke it, but the battery was fucked. Okay, I'm on 3D mode now.
You guys are good? The moment when the bird comes in you.
Yeah.
Kill it, you reckon? Bird versus plane.
Gently fly back up to where we started. It's a little weapon, I'm telling you.
Woo!
Bring it. Try and make a nice landing. That's good. I'm just getting the feel of the controls.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
It's a bit windy. Ready?
Yep. Nice landing.
Perfect.
Beautiful.
I think that's good for me today. But part 2, I'm going to practice and we're going to try and do a roll. But that is a flight of the K110S, bitches.
By Michael Morris himself. The captain.
I will.
I said, I'm the captain.
That's
Peace
it.
out, guys.
Peace out.
Bye.